This is where the journey of industrial frog processing begins in the wetlands. Only selected frogs are gently collected for safe industrial processing. Each frog is sorted carefully before entering the processing chain.
The harvested frogs are transported through controlled water channels.
The transport system connects the farm directly to the processing facility. Now the raw harvest enters the industrial processing facility. The raw harvest moves deeper into the industrial transport network. Every load is prepared for controlled factory entry.
Watch the starboard side, easy lift.
Clear. All secure. Crane, send it up.
Every batch is recorded before entering processing stages.
The raw material is stabilized before entering cleaning systems. The processing facility stands at the center of controlled aquaculture industry. Every raw load is purified before processing begins. Inside, the factory divides material into specialized processing paths.
Operators guide every movement with precision control systems.
The system directs raw material into specialized sorting zones.
Automated systems carefully release the raw material for inspection.
Each specimen is separated based on precise grading standards. Human inspection ensures only quality-approved batches move forward. Deep cleaning prepares the material for safe processing. Now the purified stream moves toward the core processing stage. The purified flow enters the core processing chamber. A controlled basin guides material into precise handling systems.
Conditions are stabilized for safe processing continuation.
Now the process advances into automated transformation systems.
The stabilized material now enters the main transformation stage.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me? Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Smart gates divide the flow into specialized transformation paths.
The system channels everything through a controlled transformation tunnel.
Each chamber refines consistency before final transformation. Now the process advances into advanced automation systems. The system now transitions into fully automated robotic precision. Artificial intelligence ensures real-time classification and routing.
Every conveyor is synchronized for flawless industrial flow.
Robotic bridges transfer material with absolute precision.
Operators monitor every detail through advanced control systems.
Every movement is calibrated with microscopic precision. A final rinse ensures absolute industrial purity. Vibration systems prepare the material for final sealing. Conditions are perfected before packaging begins.
Now the system approves material for final packaging stage.
Advanced labs verify every detail of quality and safety.
Purity levels are verified through automated chemical analysis. Only approved batches continue to final packaging systems. Strict separation ensures absolute quality consistency.
The batch is officially cleared for final packaging.
The final stage begins with automated precision packaging. Each unit is sealed for safety and long-distance transport.
Automation ensures perfect stacking and load balance.
Products are preserved in controlled storage conditions. The final product is prepared for global distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce frog-based industrial output from start to finish. Comment what's next. Subscribe to like.